Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G50, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, the application, and here in the search pool type the Ampere. Now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app, click yes I agree, pick close, and here on the left down corner tap to OK. And now as can you see, we got here the temperature of our device, that's 33 degrees. Also got here more information about our battery, health, the level. Also got here the Android version, phone model, and more and other information. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.